Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back. We have a fun project for us to do, and we want you to join us because, well, it is Easter and it is so exciting. So we want to have some more fun. Woo-hoo. Should we show everybody what it is? What's our project?
Cookies.
Cookies. Cookie, cookie.
Cookie.
We're teaching Bobo to say cookie, cookie, right?
Cookie. Cookie. And
Bobo.
he can also say peekaboo.
Hey, Bobo. Peekaboo? You mean? Oh yeah, peekaboo. Yeah, he learned how to say peekaboo earlier.
He does this. When he sees himself in the mirror, he thinks it's someone else. He goes like this. Peekaboo.
He does.
Peekaboo.
It's so perfect. He's so cute. He looks at himself in the mirror and he puts his head down, right? Like Emma said. And he says,
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
it's so cute.
Okay, so which one do you want to do first?
Should we take one of each color? Right? So, oh, we have 3 of these, but that's okay.
This one could
I
be.
want the yellow.
So
This is cute. Shape.
these are
Okay.
extras. Which ones?
You have one of these. Here. You have 2 purple. I'll have 1. I can take the blue, 2 of these, and you get 2 purple. And then, do you want 2 yellows?
I mean, we can both do this one together.
Okay. I'm going to do.
I'm gonna do yellow first.
Did I mix this up in here? Yeah, this way. Okay. So, I think I'll do this. Okay.
I'm
I
gonna
think
do
I'll do
the
blue.
I want to do pink. Do you want to do pink?
Color. No, that's okay. I'm gonna do purple first. Purple
You're gonna
and blue?
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. I think I'll do a little zigzag thingy.
I'm writing your name.
Aww. Oh, that's cute. And maybe I'll do yellow. Aww, that's cute, Emma.
Aura. If you take away the N, it's aura. If you take away the O, it's nor.
Yeah.
It's ra. And if you take away the A, it's nor. You take away the O, it's nora.
Snore.
It's
Oops.
Nora. Nora.
Oh, this is extremely messy. I said don't be messy to you, and here I am.
Just put on your hand. Now. Put on your
Oh my
hand.
gosh. What a mess. I mean, this is so cute though. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it is.
This is so cute. Look at that.
Oh,
Adorable.
wow. That's so cute.
And you know what I'm going to do?
Nora.
I am going to use some of these ones.
I hear Bobo.
You hear him?
Yeah. I can't wait for the Easter egg hunt.
I know,
It'll
me
be so
too.
fun.
It is fun, for sure.
I mean, the parents don't get any eggs, but it's fun.
The parents?
Yeah.
I might just go get eggs. You never know what's in the eggs. I want some.
So the boys I would share the eggs that I got from this morning with them. Oh God! Look, it says Nora. Very messy.
Wow, Emma, that's really, really good. That's actually clean. All right, oh, that one is super, super, super messy.
That one down there is super messy. Oops.
Oh my gosh, this is supposed to be a flower. It does not look like a flower, really.
What the? What? Was that supposed to be a flower?
Does it look like a flower, guys? Does that look like a flower, really?
Not that much.
Kinda. That's okay. It's pretty. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could have written everybody's name. I'm gonna do the yellow next. Seriously, we could have written the names. Look at this. Emma. Oh, you wrote Nora on it. She wrote Nora. Look at this. All right.
I'm gonna make a flower too. Come on.
Should we write Emma's name? E.
Do you not know my name?
M.
I don't have the N
Hey.
in my name.
Hi Bobo. It's good to see you, Bobo. You join 좀 peekaboo. Bobo, can you say? Oh, I can't reach. Where are you? Peekaboo. 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 Okay, one more time. Peekaboo. So cute. You say peekaboo. It's so cute. I love it. Okay. Emma? Is it cute? Okay. Let's get creative. Creative again, okay? I think something pink, 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 pink. Bobo is so cute today. Seriously. I can't believe Mason missed Bobo saying peekaboo.
Oh, my fingers are squeezing that so hard.
Ah, I know it's kind of hard. You really have to.
He likes my flower.
I love how
He
Bobo
likes
do
my
this.
flower.
Yeah.
Little flower. Oh, it actually looks cute.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
I'm gonna put some pink dots on it.
Oh, I don't like these ones. What's going on, Bobo? Hello. Okay, I need to get creative. I'm going to do purple flower.
That's so good.
Maybe I can do a flower this time.
Blue is so good.
Oh, not bad. That actually came out good.
The blue doesn't taste that bad.
Okay, what do you think? It's cute, right? I think that's good enough. I made 2. I know what I'm gonna do. Watch this. We have 4 different colors.
Well, that's what I was doing. But like not like that, just with you. I thought you were doing it like X's.
Yeah. And purple, and then I'll do pink too.
I'm almost done with pink though.
It's cute, actually.
There you
I like it.
go. My hands hurt. Ow.
Yes, I know. They're not so easy to squeeze.
Yeah. It's like you're breaking your fingers.
Okay. Should I keep it, you guys, should I keep it this way?
Maybe I have some like this way.
And the other direction?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Sprinkle.
It's so hard to squeeze it.
I know. I'm doing a sun right now, so hope it turns out good.
It's cute. Really, really cute.
What is?
This.
Do you like my sun?
The colors are beautiful.
Do you like my sun?
May I use your yellow?
After I'm done with these little dots. It's so hard to squeeze. There you go. Okay, put. Oops. Oh, I need
How many more cookies? Oh.
Oh,
Oh my god, those beads have gone everywhere.
I have 4 more. How much do you have?
Mm-hmm.
You have 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness.
Whoever wants this cookie is lucky.
Lucky. I'm just gonna put these things in there too.
I really like the blue. It tastes good.
Let's get some green.
Green.
Yeah. Look at Emma's cookie.
Just Nora. This little
Let's
sun.
go. Oh,
a
you made
flower,
one?
And there's X's and Nora.
That's cute. This is Mommy's. I made 3 already. Yes, I
I think
think
I might use pink now.
I think I'm just gonna use some more of these little.
I need a plate.
Let's do some orange. Some more green,
You know what I'm gonna do? Dots.
blue, and then
I'm gonna do a different color.
white. I think that's good enough. Oh, maybe let's put a green. No, let's do a pink on this yellow. There we go. Okay, I think that's good enough, right? We're gonna let this one dry.
Guess what I'm doing? Dots.
I like that a lot. Are you gonna put these things in there?
I don't think so.
Just dots?
Yeah, maybe. You're done with all yours? I think these are yours too.
Yeah, I'm not done. I've got 3 more to do.
Whoever likes Ronaldo and our family gets CR7 and then the R at the top.
Look at Emma's cookies. Looking good. Cookie.
I still have 2 more left.
Mommy's flour. Look at these eggs, right? That's pretty cool. All right, we have what, 3 left? We have 3 left. Are you using all 3 at 4? All 4 at the same time?
Yeah.
That can't be easy to squeeze.
Yeah, no, it isn't.
All right, I will take the yellow. And I think
We're
I'll
running out of
just-
blue a lot. Barely any blue.
Yeah, we sure did use a lot of these.
Now what I'm going to do is spread it out. Just going to make a fancy little thing.
I think I'm gonna make this one simple because it's getting much harder to squeeze these.
No, oh, okay, I'll just use yellow then.
I'll use the blue.
It
And-
barely works, just saying.
Oh, is it almost all gone?
Yeah, you might need to cut it. Look,
That's not so bad. Yeah, this is simple egg. Who's gonna eat this one?
There we go. We got it open.
Emma, look. Tiny egg. Bigger than my head. Tiny. Bigger. Tiny. Bigger. Oh, I don't know. Where's Mom? Where's Emma? Where's Mom? Where's Emma? Mom? Being silly. Okay.
We have a few more blue.
I'm gonna add these
I'm gonna stick all
balls.
this together to make a rainbow. It made green. That's so cool.
Oh, you're mixing the colors?
Mhm.
Which ones did you mix?
All of them.
You mix all?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want it to be like.
You have to be
Everywhere.
careful when you go on this, when you step on the ground, because you can trip over these little cookies.
Why is this so good?
Mmm,
The blue tastes fantastic.
fantastic. Mmm.
Why does it smell like yogurt in here? We might need to cut the yellow.
Oh,
open
it
too.
really does smell so good. These taste, I mean, I haven't tasted them,
Try the blue.
the
It's
cookies,
so
but
good.
they sure smell so good.
I might taste the yellow.
Mmm. Oh, I'm gonna use the other finger because I licked one. I don't want to touch the cookie with the lick finger. That's, you know, people are gonna eat these and that wouldn't be cool. right?
love
A
that.
little stick. What do you like?
I love that. Like all these.
Adding the balls.
All these are fantastic. They look so good.
They sure do. Yeah, I agree.
You know, I have to use my thumb for the purple, I guess. Well, I don't really need to use my thumb. Then, who likes my cookie? Oh, the purple tastes like yogurt.
Okay, I'm done decorating. Let's show everyone my cookies. Look at what Emma's done. Trying to get the blue out.
And the yellow. Okay, so
Okay, we really made
where do those
giant
dots
mess.
go? Oh,
A lot of dots. Oh my god! Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh my god, there's dots falling everywhere. Oh my gosh, Emma. I mean, that actually looks good. Jeez. This girl is so creative. Oh no, we have one more cookie. Whoopsie. I've decorated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
When I dip my hand in, it makes a rainbow.
Oof. Okay, you're eating that. I don't think anyone is gonna want to eat that.
Why?
Why? Because you're touching it with your fingers and you're like, you licked your fingers, so that's your cookie.
Now it's
All right, finish your All right, so we're done decorating the cookies, and they came out really good, and we're gonna head over to the party, so
And I'm just making some ramen.
so that we can actually share the cookies with everyone. Don't they look awesome? Look at these. That's so cool. These look awesome. Right, we'll see you later. Bye.
And watch me make
Bye. Hi, Emma.
Bye.
Bobo's on you.
Yeah.